What's up, guys? It's me and Ginni here, and we're gonna be making some satisfying volcanoes.
Whoop. Okay. So the first thing we need to do.
This is gonna be very, very big. Wait. I'm having the red, right?
Yes. But
All
first
right.
we put baking soda in.
Okay.
You can put as much as you want.
As
in
you
there.
know, red's my favorite color. She's probably having green because
Yep.
that's pretty much her favorite color now. She used to love pink, but now she likes green.
Come on, get in there. I guess
See?
we didn't need the funnel.
People change too. I used to like Rey Mysterio in wrestling. Now I like Roman Reigns.
Okay, we'll just use this spoon.
I like a lot of people.
I'm gonna put a bunch in mine.
What? I want a bunch of mine. Can I have a bunch of
Yeah.
mine? Yeah. Wait.
Do mine first.
All right.
Okay.
Can I put the ones in mine?
Yep.
I'm putting a lot.
All right. I think that's good.
No, one more scoop.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Now pick whatever color you want.
All right. Now
Put it
what?
in there. I'm doing green.
Well, I'm doing my favorite color right.
I'm just gonna do 2 drops in mine.
I'm gonna do 5. 1. Oh no, I dropped the lid. Let me get that, guys. Ouchie. Messed up my share. Ouch, I hurt my knee there. Ouchie.
Alright.
Now
Let me
what
go
do I
get
do?
something so we can pour the vinegar at the same time. Stay there.
All right. This is going to be fun, I have to say, guys. This is going to be super fun. Woo! 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 Vinegar. This is going to be very big explosion.
Yeah, let's move the remote.
Yeah, we don't want that to get broken or anything.
Alright, you use this.
Wait, do I
Alright.
pour in?
Yep, whenever you're ready, we'll go at the same time.
All right.
Ready?
No, you go first.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Go. Look at Ginni, guys. Yo, 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 yo. That's
Alright, your
it.
turn.
Can I pour all of it?
Mm-hmm. Do you need help? Oh man, oh man, oh man. Thing is there's still baking soda in there, so
Ooh. Hey, wait. Can we pour some more?
yeah, hold on. What happened to that?
This is gonna be awesome.
Mix it up a little bit.
Hey, guys. We're gonna do it one more time.
Because
And
we
then
put so much baking soda in there,
I want to put more baking soda.
but there's still some in there. We just need to pour more. I think. We'll see.
I want a lot more. I want an explosion. That's good. That's good. Ooh.
Don't pour it all though.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Whoa. Now I want to see, whenever it comes down, I want to see what happens if we pour one into the other.
I want to pour the
You're gonna pour
red into that. Yeah, it's on my hand. Guys, this is satisfying. And also,
Alright,
drop a like if you like this satisfying video. Now what?
Pour it, see what happens.
Hold on, let's put this right here where they can
Okay.
see it.
Nothing? That's alright, because watch this.
More bacon.
Bacon.
So, what?
Oh, still nothing. What?
Whoop. I'm not finished yet.
That's good. Ew, it looks like Coke exploding.
It looks like doo-doo. It looks like doo-doo.
So since you have red in this, if we put blue, it should make purple.
I can't wait for this. This is sick. How about we just pour all of the colors into the red and see what happens, and then put some of this in and see what happens.
Let's do just the purple first, see if that works, and then we'll do all the colors.
All right, this is gonna be sick. That do anything?
Because we only got enough for like 2 more, so go ahead and do that. Ready? Oh, it didn't even turn purple.
This is good.
Alright, go ahead and put
All
whatever
of them?
colors you want in there. What happened to the green colors?
Somebody once told me the world is gonna run me. I think it's time to show me the shade.
Okay, hold on. Maybe we should put it in this one. Let's like start fresh with this one.
And then I'm gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna put a little bit in it. We can always buy more. Wait, we forgot the green.
Okay.
Now this is gonna be sick, guys.
Maybe. I hope it works.
I hope it does.
There might be too much vinegar in there.
If you guys know what's gonna happen and it's not gonna do anything,
All right, let's see.
You're just smarter than like us.
Let's see.
This might be awesome.
Oh. Alright, so end the video because we're out of stuff now. Go ahead and end it. Oh.
Hey, hold on, look at this. What happens if
Careful.
What happens if we put a little bit of that in here and put this on top?
I don't know.
Oh!
Put this in there, you said?
No. Let's see what it is.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Alright, that's not enough. Oh, I thought it was gonna go like.
Yeah.
Darn it.
That's alright. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Hold on. So, before we end this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell. So, we're gonna make another satisfying video, and peace out. I can't wait.